Hello, my dear friends. I am Dr. Shraddha Deshpande, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of English, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur. I welcome you all to my channel, Learning English is Easy. It is, believe me. Our today's topic is transformation of active voice to passive voice. So let's begin. Now let us first consider the grammar rules. Rule number 1. In passive voice, the subject of the sentence becomes object of the sentence. Let us consider this example. She writes a letter. This sentence is in active voice. When we transform this sentence into passive voice, the subject of the first sentence, that is she, will become the object, that is by her, and the object of the first sentence, that is a letter, will become the subject of the transformed sentence. Yes, rule number 2 says in passive voice, verb third form, that is past participle, is always used. Let us see here, infinitive, past simple and past participles. I have given few examples. To be will be been, to come will become come, to do will become done, to eat will become eaten, to make will become made, to see will become seen, to take will become taken, to write will become written. So rule number 3 says by is used in passive voice. Let us see these examples. In active voice, he does not cook food. And here in passive voice it becomes food is not cooked by him. One more example. In active voice, they grow plants, and the passive voice example is plants are grown by them. Yes. So rule number 4 says the use of pronouns. When we change from active to passive voice, the pronouns are changed in this manner. Here we can see I will become me, we will become us, he will become him, she will become her, they will become them, you will remain as you, and it will remain as it. Now let us consider our first example in simple present tense. He reads a novel. Now here he is the subject, reads is the verb, and novel is object. Now here subject is also singular and object is also singular. Now that will be changed to a novel is read by him. We have added by to the sentence in passive voice, and let us see step by step how it is done. Now here the subject will become the object, he will become him, the object a novel will become the subject in the passive voice. Now reads will become V3. So the V3 of read is read. The spelling is same but the pronunciation is read. And we are going to add a helping verb is in the passive voice. And because the subject novel is in singular form, we are using is, and because the subject is in present tense, we are using the helping verb is in the sentence. Now let us consider another example in simple present tense with a singular subject and plural object. He reads novels. Here the subject is singular, he, and object novels is plural. It will be changed to novels are read by him. He will become him by adding by to it. Novels will take the place of subject. Reads will become read, that is V3 of read. And here the helping verb will be are because the subject novels is plural and it is in present tense. Now let us consider another example in present continuous tense. She is eating a pastry. In present continuous tense, there is present participle with ing adding to the verb. Here, she is a singular subject with a singular object, a pastry. That will be changed to a pastry is being eaten by her. How it is done? the subject will be converted into object by her. The object will be converted into subject, a pastry. Now next is we have to change the V to V3. V3 of eat is eaten. Next is the helping verb. We are not going to forget that. We are going to add is because the subject is in present tense and also it is in singular form. And because there is a present participle here, we are going to add being to the sentence in passive voice. Our next example is in present continuous tense with singular subject and plural object. Reena is making flowers. Here the subject Reena is singular and object is plural. It will be changed to the flowers are being made by Reena. Okay, so Reena will be changed to by Reena. Flowers will become the subject in the passive voice. Next is we are going to change it. We make to made, that is the V3 of make. Now is will become are because here the subject is in plural form and also it is in present tense. Yes, the next important step is because there is present participle, we are going to add being to the passive voice. Our next example is of present perfect tense. He has done the work. Here the subject is singular as well as the object is singular. That will be changed to the work has been done by him. The subject he will be changed to him by adding by. The work in the active voice will take the place of subject in passive voice. Next step is to change the verb to V3. In perfect tense, there is always V3 in the sentence. So done will remain as done. Has will remain as has because the work is already in singular form and also in present tense. You just need to remember that you have to add been in the sentence when you are considering present perfect tense. Now let us consider this sentence of present perfect tense. Have they painted the rooms? Here the subject as well as the object is in plural form. It will be changed to have the rooms being painted by them. They will become by them. The rooms will take the place of subject in the passive voice. Painted will remain as painted as it is V3. Have will be have because you can see here the subject, the rooms is in plural form and also in present tense. And you have to remember, you have to add been to the sentence in passive voice where there is perfect tense. Our next example is of present perfect continuous tense. She has been eating an apple lately. Now here she is the singular subject and an apple is the singular object. Now lately here is an additional information. So please my dear friends, don't get scared of this additional information in the sentence. You just need to focus on the subject, verb and object. This is how it is going to change. An apple has been eaten by her lately. She will become by her. An apple will become the subject of the passive voice. Eat, the V3 of eat will be eaten. Okay. Yes, the next thing is, as I told you, if there is present participle, you have to add being to the sentence. Next is you have to add been to the sentence in passive voice because there is perfect tense also, and also you have to add has to the sentence as the subject is singular and it is in present tense. Our next example is of present perfect continuous tense. Payal has been teaching the advanced classes for more than 6 years. Here the subject Payal is singular The advanced classes is the object and which is in plural form. And you can see here for more than 6 years is an additional information. So you need to focus on subject, verb and object only. The answer will be the advanced classes have been being taught by Payal for more than 6 years. Payal, here the subject will become the object in passive voice. The advanced classes will become the subject in the passive voice. Third is we need to change the V3 and V3 of teach is taught. The next thing is, as I told you, it is present participle. So you have to add being to the sentence. The next step is you have to add been to the sentence because it also have a perfect tense in it. And here has will change to have because the subject, the advanced classes, is in plural form. It is a very important step and you shouldn't miss this. By this we come to the end of the video and I will upload the next video soon. Till now I hope you must have understood that learning English is absolutely easy. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates and post your comments in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.